Despite the rain, so many people came out. A number of them left already, but still quite a few around, which is pretty good. Looking for a 10 millimeter?
I think we all are.
Yeah, yeah. Oh gosh. I love the wagons. Remember when you wouldn't look twice at a Chevy wagon? Oh my gosh, 327. Yeah, typical family wagon. Great stuff. Corvettes, of course. Now you're going to see holes in the field because a number of the people over here, this was filled, already cruised out of here. I'm going to take some backfield over here because, actually, no, I'm going to go over there because I got photos of that. And let's see what we got here. Corvettes, Mustang, the V, CTS-V. Why Cadillac played with this design is beyond me. They had such of a cool car. Look at that sedanette. That's great. Every GM division had their own name for the fastbacks, and it came in 2-door, 4-door, which is really pretty wild. This is the Fleet line by Chevy. Oh, that's great. They kept the blue flame. Nice hot rodding. Oh, that's great. Offenhauser. Manifold. Wonderful. Cool.
Car number 164.
I like seeing different, as you know, so I enjoy. Nice Coronet drop top. About 65 there. Let me see. What year is that Chevy? Hudson convertible. Wow. There's an unusual car. Remember what I was saying in a previous video with the Packers and such, with the bathtub design. You know, through the lens of time, it's looking better and better. Beautiful cars. Absolutely beautiful cars. And of course, let's jump over to the Falcon. What a difference from the gorgeous to little Falcon. Nice. You know, people keep saying, hey, how you doing? I'm doing really well because you know where I am? I'm at a car show. And I'm so happy to bring this to you and enjoy. Nice little 63. It's not a convertible, it's a nice Coupe de Ville. Isn't that gorgeous? What nice proportions and lines. This is a vinyl top car, which is fairly unusual at the time. They were just coming in. Pretty nice. I like it. Stepping off to the back row over here. Love that Plymouth. It's just so neat. Beautiful, just beautiful. 39. Oh my God, Hudson. Boy, 2 Hudsons. They have the triangles all over the place. All over the place. Look at that hot rod. Yay! I like that. Miles of Smiles. The parts book. The Hudson story. That's fascinating, by the way, the Hudson story, if you ever look into it. Fantastic.
I'm surprised somebody actually